Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to draw circles in AutoCAD software. So I'll open software. I'll be using the AutoCAD 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing. And now we are on a new drawing area. So to say about the circle command, it is available here in the draw panel. And also you can see this small arrow here below the circle command, and if you click on it you can see different type of circles that you can draw in AutoCAD. So I'll click on escape now. Now let us try the different kind of circles one by one, but before we start just make sure you have the dynamic input option on. Now it is on because it has that blue background color, but if you see that option off, just come and turn it on. If you have the dynamic input option on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for suggestions. That's why I keep it on. Got it? So now let us come to the circle command and click on this arrow and try the first one. That is the center and radius. So as the name says, you have to specify the center point and the radius of the circle. So I click on it. So it is now asking for the specify center point for the circle. Here you can enter the x and y coordinate values. I enter 0 as the x coordinate value. Now press the tab key to come to the next box where you can enter the y coordinate value. So I'll enter 0 here as well, and I press the enter key. So a circle starts from the origin where the x and y values are 0 and 0, and now we have to specify the radius because it is asking for the radius. So I'll enter 15 units and I press the enter key. So we have a circle which we created using the center and radius type. Now let us try the second one, that is center and diameter. So I click on it. So again it is asking for the specify center point for the circle. So this time I'm not going to enter the x and y values. I will select one random point in the space. So just observe as I move the cursor or the crosshair, you can see the values in the boxes are changing. They are the respective values of x and y coordinate. Maybe I'll click over here. Now it is asking for the diameter for the circle. So I enter 30 units. I press the enter key. So this circle I created using center and diameter. Got it? Now let us try the third one, that is 2 point. For the 2 point circle, I need 2 points to draw a circle. So I go to the line option now. I draw one random line. So now I have 2 points, this end point and this end point. So let us try the 2 point circle. So I click on it. So this point here and this point here. So in situations where you want to draw a circle going through 2 points, you can try this option. So in the same way, you can try the 3 point circle. So for that, you need 3 point. So I'll come to the line option again. I'll randomly create some lines and get 3 points. So here we have 3 points, this one, this one, this one here. So let us go to the circle, come to the 3 point circle, this point here, this point here, this point here. Got it? So in scenarios where you want to create a circle through 3 points, you can try this option. Got it? So now let us try the tan radius. So for that, let us draw 2 lines because I need 2 tangents. So now let us try this option. Tan radius. So first tangent here, second tangent here, and a radius of 20 I'll go with. Can you see? So here there is a tangency, here there is a tangency, and we have the radius as 20 for this circle. So got it? So you have to choose which kind of circle you want depending on the situation. And we have the last type, that is tan. So I will Draw 3 lines. Now I'll come to the circle command. The last one, let us try. Tan. So here I want a tangency, here I want a tangency, here I want a tangency. So can you see that? So always try to choose which kind of circle you want to draw depending on the situation you are in. Got it right? So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.